Hello friends, it's me AsirFx. Welcome to my channel AsirFx 360. Today in this video I'm going to discuss that what is a candlestick and how to read a candlestick and about the time frame. So for the beginner those things it's important, so I think you have to learn these things. And if you want to copy our trade, you can do this, and by copy our trade you can earn money in learning time, or if you want you can use a automatic trading robot, and by this robot you don't need to do anything but you can earn money without do anything, because this software will do everything for you. So in the video details I put a video, watch this for more details. Okay, now we can go to the main video. So at first I'm going to discuss about what is candlestick. So in the mt4, when you open the chart, sometime maybe you can see your chart like this way, or sometime you can see your chart this way, or these things. So this is the candlestick. So everything you can see, someone is the green and someone is the red. So in one video I show you that how to make it green and red. So in every candle you can see that some candle is the red and some candle is the green. So every single one is a candlestick. Okay, so this one is a candlestick, this one is also a candlestick, this one is also candlestick, but everyone have different types of size and pattern. And some candle is, you can see, very small, some candle is very long, and someone is like this. So whatever types of these things it will come, so everything it is a candlestick. Okay, so I think you understand that what is the candlestick. So now I'm going to discuss it, that how can you understand or how can you read the candlestick. So in that case I am showing you a picture. So you can see that one candle is a green and another one is a red. So the middle part, the green and red, all the middle part, you can call it the real body. Okay, so when you see that all the middle part red or whatever it's green, it will be called the real body. And when you see that it's a green, then you can call it bullish candle or buy candle. And when you see the red, you can call it the bearish candle, because or bearish candle or sell candle, because when you see that the green candle come, it means when at that time market was going in the upside, so that green candle come. So when you see that the red candle come, you can see that now market is going little bit downside, going down, so the red candle come. So when you see the green candle, it means it's a buy candle or the bullish candle, and when you see the red candle, it's a bearish candle or the sell candle. Okay, so there you can see this is the main body. It call a real body or main body, whatever you want you can call it. So now the next part is what is the this small line, you can see that upside and downside of the candle. So this is called the shadow. Okay, so when you see these things, this is the shadow of a candle. So when you see this kind of single line in the upside, this is the upper shadow, and when you see this kind of line in the downside, it means it's a lower shadow. Okay, so in the chart you can see that, so there is a candle, a bullish candle, and you can see some line in the downside. So these things is the lower shadow, and this one you can see some single line in the upside of this candle. So this one is called upper shadow. Also in the red candle, there you can see some single line of downside of this candle. So this one is a lower shadow, and this one is an upper shadow. Okay, so I think you understand. So this is called a shadow of a candle. So this is the main body and this is the shadow. So in the downside is a lower shadow, in the upside of an upper shadow. Now you can see that you can ask me that why this kind of shadow is created. Okay, so there you can see. So in a green candle, I mean in buy candle or bullish candle, it starts from this side and close at this side. So there, when you see that the green body start, so you can tell that this is a open price of this candle. And when you see that the end of the green line, so it means it's a close price of a candle. So when you see the green one, so green candle always start from the downside and close in the upside. And in the red candle, the red one start from the upside and close in the downside. So if you want to find a candle open price of a green one, you have to come in the downside, and there you can see this is the open price of a candle and the close price of a candle. And when you see the red candle, I mean bearish candle or sell candle, its open price in the upside and the close price is the downside. Okay, you can see the chart now. So I am taking this one, and there you can see, if I go there or if I show you these things, in the downside you can see something there. So this candle start from this area and close there. So this is the start area of this candle and the close area of this candle. Okay, and also in the red one you can see this candle start area is this and the close area is this. Okay, so green candle start from the downside and the red candle start from the upside, and green candle close in the upside and the red candle close in the downside. Because you know that, because the when we see the green candle, it means market is going up, and when we get the red candle, it means market is going down. So I think you understand. So now I am going to show you that what is the high and low. So now the part of the shadow. So when you see the shadow of a green candle and when you see the shadow is end, it means this is the highest price of this candle. And in the downside of the green candle, when you see the shadow is end, it means this is the lowest price of this candle. Also in the red candle you can see, when you see the shadow is end in the upside, it means this is the highest price of this candle. And when you see the shadow is end in the downside, it means the lowest price of this candle. So highest price and lowest price, it's both are same for the red or green both, because high means high up and low means down. So low price you will get that in the shadow end, and high price you will get in the upside the shadow end. So in the chart you can see, if I take example of this candle, there you can see, so this is the lowest price of this candle, because when you go there you can see the price. Do you see that? And this is the highest price of the candle. So, and this is the open price of the candle, and this one is the close price of the candle. It means when this candle open, it's first go downside, and before close the candle, it's go again in the upside. So it's create a shadow, and then it's go too much high and come back there and it's close. So that's why there you can also see the shadow. So now you can see this candle is running. So if this candle going, you can see this one create a small shadow, because this one go more down, but then it's go little bit upside, so that small shadow create. There this candle go very downside. At that time it was a red candle, but it closing price is the upside of the open price. That's why it's become green, and it's open a shadow. It's because it's go more up and then go little bit down, and this is the highest price of the candle and this is the lowest price of the candle. And also you can see in this candle, there you can see this is the highest price of the candle, and this one is the lowest price of the candle. Okay, so there, this is the body of a candle. So this is a very small body, but there you can see a long body and small shadow. So some candle give you a long body because this open price and close price is just going up or going directly down. That's why the shadow is not created. So I think you understand that what is the candlestick and the open price and close price and highest price and low price. So if you don't understand these things, watch this video 2 or 3 times, because it's very important part of the forex. Because if you don't understand the candlestick, in that case it will be very difficult for you to trade in this market. So now I'm telling you again, and you can see the picture, or you can take a screenshot of this picture, then you can also understand. So in the green candle, start from the downside, and this is the open price and this is the close price, and in the end of the shadow in the downside, this is the low price and this is the high price. Okay, so now you can see that I'm showing you something. So when I take my mouse cursor to this candle, in the downside, there you can see something. Okay, look your eyes there. So now I am bring my cursor there, and you can see one thing is right. O, it means this is the open price, and H means highest price, low means low price, and close means the closing price. So always remember, the closing price of this candle will be the opening price of the next candle. Okay, so there you can see also these things come, the open price. So you know that where you have to go to the open, high, low, close. Okay, so I think, and you can also see the time that when this candle is created. So I hope you understand. So now I'm going to the next part, that what is the time frame of the forex market. So there you can see M1, M5, M15, H1. So M1 means 1 minute, M5 means 5 minutes, M15 means 15 minutes, and M30 means 30 minutes, H1 means 1 hour, H4 means 4 hour, D1 means day 1, and W1 means week 1, and the MN means monthly. So if I click H4, it means every candle is showing you last 4-hour history. That last 4, you can see that there is a very big green candle. It means these 4-hour markets directly go up, 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 and there you can see some red candle. It means this 4-hour market is going down, down, and down. And if I click M5, it means every candle showing you 5-minute history. So it means there you can see a green candle. It means these 5 minutes market go up, and now you can see a market is running. It means market start 5 minutes ago. This candle start 5 minutes ago, and still it's going up. That's why it's showing me green. And if you click in 1 minute, it means every candle showing you 1 minute history. Like this 1 minute markets go down, this 1 minute market go up, and this the 1 minute candle is running. Then when the 1 minute end, you can see that their new candle will create. Okay, so there you can see the market watch and time. So now is 45 seconds, 46 second, and when you can see that it will be will be 0, then new candle will start. Now I'm showing you that how the new candle start. You can see, look your eyes there. Yes, you can see the new candle start because the new minute start. So in that case, when you go to the H1, it means every 1 hour you will get one new candle, and every candle showing you 1 hour history. If you don't understand anything, you can ask me by the WhatsApp, Skype, or email, or by the comment. I will try to reply your all the question. And if you want to know more, you can visit our website. And also, if you like this video, give a thumbs up for this video, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for notification. And I hope you will learn everything about forex from my channel. Okay, bye, have a good day.